Hi, I'm Erin with the Brains Report.
I'm also with the Brains Report, and I am James Brains.
And today we're going to talk about the Tide Evo Detergent Free and Gentle Fiber Tiles.
Ooh.
Yeah, so this is a new type of detergent delivery system.
Okay.
I guess you would call it. Instead of, just liquid detergent or powder detergent or pods, we have these little tiles of fiber. And it's not fabric, it's actually like the soap has been turned into fibers.
Okay.
And it's 6 layers of these.
Oh, wow. You counted them?
I mean, they told me that's what it was. And I'm going to believe them. Here, let's cut it up and see what's inside of it.
Let's see.
So, Rudy's very excited about this. You're not really helping Rudy.
I don't know how many.
No, don't eat it.
It's not food. Teens love to eat the Tide Pods, and I guess cats like to eat the Tide, what are these, sheet things?
Fiber tiles.
Yeah, fiber tiles. I don't know if you can see the layers in there.
Yeah, it almost looks
hard to
more
pull
than
them
6.
apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to.
It's hard to pull them apart though, and
yeah,
then it gets
then
all
they fall
flaky
apart.
and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're doing your laundry, you're just gonna throw one of these or 2 of these in, and that's something worth talking about here. So it's one load, like a small load. It says just throw 1 in, and then for a larger load, you toss 2 in, and you just put it in your laundry like you would do a Tide Pod, and you just wash it. Warm, cold, doesn't matter. It works either way. They fully dissolve and they have nothing left over afterwards. So that's cool. We used this whole box except for the one I just cut up. So we did almost 20 loads, and I think we just used 1 a load.
Yeah, mostly. I in my time as a home and kitchen reporter, talking to experts, like I found that people in general use too much detergent. Like, you don't need a lot. A little dab will do ya, as they say. So yeah, if you have a big load, you can probably just use 1. Especially in this economy. I mean,
yeah.
Unless you have like a really dirty load. That's what she said.
And since you can cut them up, I mean, I guess you could even make them stretch longer and use partial per load. I did see on some comments that I was looking at, people were, I just used 2/3 of 1, which would make sense actually if you were really relying on these and you were only buying these because they are not cheap. For 40 of them, you can get them for around $20 on Amazon. And if you were to compare that to the original Tide Pods, you would be getting 76 loads or 76 Tide Pods for the same price.
Ooh, okay. So it's
a
little pricier.
A little pricier.
Per load.
Yeah, and these are the Free and Gentle, which means that they don't have any dyes. They're hypoallergenic. They're unscented. Rudy is going to be a part of this. And they, don't have anything that's going to really, irritate people's skin, which is nice. And they are scent free. They definitely, worked well for that. I washed some of my sweaters, my crocheted sweaters in them, and they did a good job of not, taking on the smell or anything, because there is no smell.
Who crocheted that sweater?
Oh, I did. I made it myself.
Now tell me, should you put these in your eyes always?
No, never put them in your eyes.
Okay.
And don't eat them, obviously.
Yeah, it says that on there.
They do work
sure
in high efficiency, the HE things, because I know that, there is a, when we first got our washer and dryer so many years ago, I think it was like a decade ago now, no, stop putting them in your eyes.
Oh, sorry.
They, you have to be careful which detergent you use, because otherwise you could ruin the high efficiency one with too many soaps. There's no problem with that, and it works, as I said, in cold water too. So they're really effective. They got all our clothes clean, and what I really like about them is that there's no plastic involved at all. So they've got a paper box, and then all of the tiles come in them. You can see this box has gotten a little beat up, but they just come like
now
that.
It's not going to be in mint condition.
You don't have to open anything else as far as the, you know, there's no, like with the Tide Pods, they come in like a plastic jug, or even at Costco, they'll come in a box with 2 bags, plastic bags full of them. Because
so much plastic.
and I think it's because they have to, the film that they use to encapsulate the pods needs to be kind of kept away from moisture and stuff.
That makes sense.
One thing, which does lead me to, you know, we left this in our dank little basement, and they did kind of shrink up a little bit, so that is one thing, but they didn't dissolve at all.
Well, these aren't that much.
Yeah, I guess they're about the same.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Those haven't been in our basement.
And they just, you know, you're gonna eat now?
Yeah.
Need a
I
little
want
snack?
some candy.
Okay, all right. So as far as it goes, you know, there's really low waste with these, which I like. They don't have, you know, extra packaging or things that could be, you know, concerning to people. One thing I do want to point out that some, you know, because I was looking for alternatives, because there really isn't anything exactly like this on the market right now. They do have this in other flavors.
Would you say it's ground beefing?
I would not say it's ground beefing at all.
Okay.
Because there are kind of similar things out there, and I'll talk about them in a little bit when we're talking alternatives. But one thing that I was seeing, though, when, you know, looking up something that had, like, you know, 0 plastic, you know, laundry detergent, people were concerned about microplastics. And so then I went down a hole of, what do they actually make the film on Tide Pods or other detergent pods, like even our dish detergent, because we use the pods for that too. I was like, am I just like putting a ton of microplastics into the world? And it's actually, it's called PV.
Can you tell us what you found out?
Let me tell you what I found out, James.
Okay.
I will tell you.
Thank you.
It's called PVA, or polyvinyl alcohol, or it's also PVOH, like whatever, interchangeable, PVA. And it's a fully biodegradable plastic. Well, not plastic, but it does break down fully within 90 days, like between, you know, dissolving in the water to having, you know, bacteria and stuff eat at the stuff. It does break down completely. It is not a microplastic. So the only thing with all of the pods, though, like I was saying, is that they're all packaged in plastic, so you are still getting plastic out of it, whereas this doesn't have any plastic at all, which is really nice. If you're, you know, if that's really important to you to cut down on your single-use plastic waste, this is definitely a great opportunity for that. Like I said, though, it is a little bit pricey. You know, you're looking at about 50 cents a load, because you can get 40 of them for about $20 on Amazon. Is that?
That sounds about
50 cents a load?
Yeah, 50 cents.
Okay, good. I'm not the mathlete in our family. So there is, you know, definitely, you know, if that's important to you, sometimes it costs a little bit more to be, you know, thoughtful about
I mean, we are kind of like stealing from future generations by doing all this cheap stuff and just kicking the repercussions down the road. But if you can afford to, I don't know, do the environment and future generations a favor. Yeah, and it has less, like, there's no added water to these too, is another thing. So I don't know about the process of making them, but you are using less water, you know, because a jug of detergent, a chunk of that's water, like, that you're buying, and so you're not doing that. This is just purely the distilled detergent. As far as alternatives go, there are a couple out there that we have not tested. So we have tested these. They work. They're great. Look at me. Yeah, look at you. Unrelated to just people to look. So there are, like I said, a similar thing out there. It's the Earth Breeze detergent sheets, and so they're just a sheet of detergent. You put it in your laundry. Just like that. Their website says that they, you know, they do all the comparison pictures for, you know, how well it cleans things and everything like that. Like I said, we haven't tested it, but those ones are 60 sheets or 60 loads for $16. So they're actually a little bit cheaper.
and then they can even
They're
be
about
less than that.
27 cents a piece compared to 50 cents.
Yeah, and it looks like they do have some options there, including a dye-free, perfume-free option. So
Okay.
that's a brand that's out there. Again, haven't tried it. Don't know if it actually works. Their website says it does, but it is another alternative that doesn't have any plastic in what they're doing. And then there's also the Blue Land laundry tablets. So they're like little tablets of pressed detergent, which is interesting to me because, like, remember back in the day when, like, sometimes you would have the powder detergent and then you'd have, like, the liquid, and then now everybody uses the liquid, and then the fancier people use the pods, and then, like, yeah. And so now it's just like, it's going back to the powder.
Yeah.
But it is a compressed tablet, and
So would you say that is the crack to the old-timey detergents, pure uncut cocaine, or?
I don't know because we haven't tested it, so I don't know if
Okay.
it is. But
I'm just
as long as it
thinking
dissolves all the
solid
way,
versus
yeah. But the tablets, you get 60 of those for around $20, and so they are, again, a little bit cheaper. And with that $20, you get a little tin to keep them in, and then you can just get refill bags of it to put in there. So
33.3 cents per
thank you.
tablet.
Yeah, and
That's why she keeps me around.
both of those options, again, haven't tried them out, but they are kind of similar in that they don't have the film on them. They aren't a liquid at all, and you use them just like you would a Tide Pod, like, or a detergent pod. And I keep saying Tide Pod because we generally, that's what we go to. Like, our go-to is Tide, because we have found over the years, with the amount of stink that some people put into our laundry through their various intense running or whatever hobbies, we like a strongly perfumed Tide to cover it all up and get that stink out. So, and those are functional for us. They work really well.
Who would you say these are best for, though?
Yeah, I was going to ask you the same question.
So what comes to mind, like, as a prepper, is that these seem like pretty portable, like really light, like easy to just throw into your everyday carry bag, and have for an emergency if you need to clean stuff. I'm not sure how it would work by hand, but it just seems like lighter, which seems like a good portable option. Maybe while you're traveling, even, like, you don't.
Super portable.
In the hotels, they like charge up the butt for the detergents, and it'd be cheaper just to
even
have
going to a
some of these.
laundromat to buy the detergent, like, it's expensive. And a little
True.
thing of it. Yeah. And super portable, super light, and also you don't have to worry about it getting punctured, like with the if you were to put a couple of Tide Pods in your suitcase, you just buy a laundry layer.
Even like
your stuff
when
would
you
smell.
buy it from the store, there's usually a couple stuck together, and you have to like work them apart, and usually they blow. It's like popping pimples or something. It's gross.
Yeah. So definitely, portability. Also, people who are maybe really sensitive to dyes, perfumes,
Everyone's so
stuff like
sensitive
that.
these days.
This doesn't have any of that added stuff in there, which is really nice. Like I said, it does not have a smell. It doesn't have any of those dyes in it. It's all just detergent. So
yeah, I mean, putting my fingers all over it and like putting it to my nose, there's like a very faint odor, but I have a super schnoz and can smell stuff.
and a refined palate.
But I feel like, it's pretty much no odor.
Yeah. So, definitely there is a place for it, and it's exciting to see companies making things that are maybe less wasteful and don't have, some of those, because there's so much plastic out there, and I love that we can get at least, one thing of plastic that has all the things in it that'll biodegrade, but like to completely cut it out is great. Although another drawback is if you go looking for these, I don't know that you can find them everywhere. So you can find them at Target, you can find them at on Amazon, like I said, those other alternatives looks like they're just online. So
Okay.
as far as it goes, they're not maybe as, regularly available in the stores yet. But I would be so mad if I went and then they were just like sealed in plastic.
That would be really annoying.
But yeah, so that's all I have to say.
I have one final question. What is one question you wished I did ask during this video?
I guess I should have asked. You should have asked whether or not we should have gotten rid of Rudy before we started filming. That would have been nice.
Yeah.
Because she's been terrorizing you.
Yeah, she has it out for me. Yeah.
Well, if you have questions, comments, things we didn't cover that you wish we'd covered, if you want to watch us washing our clothes, I don't think that's going to happen, but let us know in the comments. He'll respond within 24 hours. And in the meantime, keep it clean. Bye.